guys, in this video we are going to be finding raw scores based off of z-scores. So in the last video we talked about how to find a z-score based off of a point or a data point in your value, and this time we're going to go the opposite direction. They're going to give us a z-score and we are going to figure out what the x value or the raw score was for that particular data. So just as a reminder, the formula for z-score was the point minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. So all we're going to do to convert this is we're actually going to solve this formula for x. I'm not expecting you to actually solve it. I'm going to give it to you here in a second. There we go. And that's going to be x is equal to the z-score they give us times the standard deviation plus the mean. Okay, so the z-score times the standard deviation plus the mean. That's how we go backwards and find the raw score based off of a z-score. So let's do a couple of examples on how to do this. It's really not that bad once you have the formula down. So we're going to do it for a population of with a mean of 72 and a standard deviation of 4. We're going to use those two values for all three examples we're going to do this morning, or for this video. So we're going to do, again, mean of 72, standard deviation of 4. So we're going to start off with z being -1. So again, we're going to use that formula. X is equal to the z-score times the standard deviation plus the mean. So we're just going to substitute in our values. So we're going to have -1 times 4 plus 72. So -1 times 4 is going to give us -4 plus 72. It's going to be 68. So the raw score would be 68. And you might think, why would I want to know this? A lot of it would have to do with what does the score have to be significant. And you might decide that significant for you is that the z-score is 2. So what would the raw score be for a z-score of 2? That kind of thing. So let's try again. We're going to do this one with a 1.50. So again, z-score times the standard deviation plus the mu. So we're going to have 1.50 times 4 plus 72. 1.5 times 4 is 6 plus 72 would give us a z-score of 78. And then our last example, we're going to do a z-score of 3. So again, we're going to do the z-score times the standard deviation plus the mean. So we've got 3 times 4 plus 72, which would give us 12 plus 72, which would give us 84. So hopefully that wasn't too bad as far as calculating the raw score. If you have any problems or need some additional examples, just let me know.